Hey Steamy fam! This week we're coming at you from the road. For work, Jaden and her husband split their time between city life in Vegas and rural life in a travel trailer on tribal land. With only a tiny kitchen to work with and an 8-hour commute, every bit of space counts, which makes today's review especially relevant. This week, Jaden tried out Aroma's Whatever Pot, the amazing multifunctional kitchen appliance that works as both a grill and a pot, and she had some pretty great things to say about it. With a 60-minute round trip to the nearest grocery store and no restaurants in sight, Jaden's been cooking a lot more, and the Whatever Pot has been a huge game changer. Not only is it compact, but it's multifunctional and takes the place of at least 6 different appliances, including a wok. One thing Jaden loves? This pot gets hot, like up to 450 degrees kind of hot, which makes it perfect for stir-frying, searing, and even whipping up her favorite spaghetti sauce, all with just one kitchen tool. The grill and pot combo also allows you to cook broth, meat, and veggies all at once without needing any other pots or pans. And it cooks just the right amount for 2 people, perfect for simple, no-fuss dinners. With time and storage space being tight, sometimes you can't cook everything from scratch, and that's okay too. Jaden likes to go semi-homemade with jarred pasta sauce, and she wants to let you in on a little secret. How do you take store-bought sauce to the next level? Mushroom powder. It provides a huge umami boost and adds depth to the flavor. Just a little sprinkle can turn something simple into something really amazing. Whether it's for hot pot, pasta, or just a quick stir-fry, the Whatever Pot makes Jaden's life, and cooking in general, so much easier. Be sure to visit the link in our bio for the full review of this amazing pot on steamykitchen.com.